So what is up guys, welcome to HDD Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be giving you in specific the iPhone SE2's India pricing. Okay, there are a couple of changes which I'm going to be telling you regarding the iPhone SE2 pricing in India, and also I'm going to be covering everything we know till today regarding the iPhone SE2. So today's video is going to be very interesting, and again today is my 16th birthday. So again, if you will subscribe to my channel, that will be your biggest gift that you can give. So again, consider subscribing to my channel, and without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, now let me first talk about the iPhone SE2's India pricing, the main topic for which today's video is made, and I have already made a video on this topic, but I want to say, like, in that video I have discussed its price segment to be around 28k to 35k Indian rupees, but in today's video I have made a couple of changes which is quite exciting, so we will also like it. So first of all, let me tell you the iPhone SE2's United States dollar pricing is going to be $399, and if we convert that pricing into Indian rupees, that is somewhere around 28,000 Indian rupees. So 28,000 is kind of the price, but if you don't know, like, the import duties, okay, all of the taxes which are placed on the iPhone when it comes in India, those actually increase the pricing of the iPhone SE very much. So it was expected, the iPhone 11, its pricing is, somewhere around, like, you can take example like somewhere around 70,000, but Apple sells it to like 1 lakh rupees. So there is a drastic amount of taxes included. So what are the taxes for the iPhone SE2? Well, supposingly Apple is going to be starting the iPhone SE2's production in India itself. Okay, it is going to be the in-country, in India only it will start its production, so the taxes will be reduced drastically. So according to few sources, the pricing of the iPhone SE2 is expected to be 30,000 Indian rupees. Like 29,999 supposingly for this iPhone SE2, and that will be again great. If Apple will enter into 35,000 segment, then anybody will opt for the iPhone XR because it is going to be available somewhere around 40,000 Indian rupees. So it only makes sense for Apple to reduce the pricing and take it somewhere around 28k to 30k Indian rupees. So according to the current reports, it is very much confirmed that the pricing is going to be somewhere around 30k or just exactly 30k. So this is regarding the pricing. Now everybody knows, like, the iPhone SE2 is going to be the refresh of the iPhone 8. Okay, the existing iPhone 8 is going to be getting the internal upgrade with the A13 Bionic chip and with 3 gigs of RAM. And again, the color variants you're getting with this is a product red variant, silver color variant, and again like the black variant. So again, I would say, like, if Apple would have included the gold color, that would have been a little better option. But again, product red is there and you can opt for it. And guys, in today's video I just wanted to conclude this factor that the iPhone SE2's India the India pricing is somewhere around 30,000, or you can say confirmedly little bit, it's still on the sources and resources, but still you can take it into consideration. If you want to buy it, then you have to spend 30,000 Indian rupees, approximately. So if you have liked today's video, if you like to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem, then consider subscribing to our channel. And again, like, today is my birthday, so I was actually not prepared to make this video, but I thought, like, let's not waste our time and make a video for you guys. So again, if you have liked today's video, don't forget to give this video a like, and also if you subscribe to our channel, that will be really appreciated. So I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.